Why does your scanner show the P2106 engine code? What does it mean? P2106 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle actuator circuit control motor system, forced limited power. This engine code indicates that there is a major failure in a system causing the ECM to go into failure mode and limiting the throttle actuator to limited power. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty throttle position sensor. Defective throttle actuator control motor. Malfunctioning throttle position actuator. Coolant leakages. Engine overheating. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It commonly occurs in various vehicles, including Ford, Toyota, Suzuki, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.